Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello, I am Suraj Madhav Wadge. I am studying in third year mechanical engineering. Today we are presenting a group project. Current automobile market of 2 and 4-wheeler industries. In a group projects, our members are Kiran Rajan Naik, Yesh Jagdish Kakani, and Srinath Vijay Bhagwat. And group project guide is Professor Ravi Enkar.
Introduction. In 2019, India was the fifth largest auto market, 3.81 million units combined sold in passenger and commercial vehicle categories. Domestic automobile production increased at 2.36% CAGR between financial year 16 to 20. Two-wheeler and passenger cars accounted for 80.8% and 12.9% market share respectively. Advantages in India. Focus shifting on electric cars to reduce emissions. Rise in India middle class income and young population may result in strong growth. Government aims to build India into a R&D hub. Indian automobile industry is targeting to increase export of vehicles by 5 times during 2016 to 26. The government aims to develop India as a global manufacturing center. India could be a leader in shared mobility by 2030, providing opportunities for electric and autonomous vehicles. Market overview. There are 4 sectors in automobile sector. First one is two-wheeler, second one passenger vehicles, third one commercial vehicles, fourth one three-wheelers. As shown in figure, graph is plotted against financial year and automobile production in India in millions and automobile sales in India in millions. As shown in figure, domestic automobile production increased at 2.36% CAGR between financial year 16 to 20, with 26.36 million vehicles manufacturing in the country in financial year 20. Overall domestic automobile sales increased at CAGR of 1.29% between financial year 16 to 20, with 21.55 million vehicles being sold in financial year 20. Trends in domestic sales. First one, commercial vehicles. This segment sales registered a strong growth of 20% in 2017 to 18, significantly higher than 4% in 2016 to 17. Medium and heavy vehicles grew by 12.48% to 3,40,313 units. Light vehicles expanded at over 25% to 5,16,140 units. Second one, two-wheelers. This segment also touched new milestones of 20.19 million units last year, grew at 14.80% compared with 7% in 2016 to 17. Motorcycle sales grew 13.69% to 12.61 million units. Scooters expanded 20% to 6.71 million units. As plotted on this graph, in financial year 2021 quarter 1 market shares. Most famous bike companies in India: Suzuki, Royal Enfield, Honda, Kawasaki, TVS, Bajaj, Hero and KTM. Each company shares has shared. COVID-19 impact on automobile sector. The COVID-19 pandemic has had a swift and service impact on the globally integrated automobile industry. Lockdowns led to a loss of around Rs 2,300 crore daily to automobile sector, according to the report, as shown in the graph. Thank you.